Welcome to today's peaceful yoga session designed just for you. This is your quiet moment to sit, breathe, and gently move your body while staying relaxed and comfortable. You don't need to stand or balance today. Everything happens while sitting. All you need is your mat, your breath, and a calm heart. Let's begin by sitting tall, imagining a golden string gently pulling the top of your head towards the sky. Take a deep breath in and slowly let it out. This is your time to feel soft, stretched, and peaceful. 1. Easy pose. Sit comfortably with your legs crossed. Rest your hands on your knees. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. Imagine you're sitting on a soft cloud floating in the sky. 2. Neck roll. Gently drop your right ear to your right shoulder. Slowly roll your head forward and to the left. Repeat softly. Pretend your head is painting a rainbow in the air. 3. Seated side bend. Lift your right arm and stretch it over your head, leaning gently to the left. Then, switch sides. Imagine you're reaching to tickle a little star just above you. Four. Shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders back slowly, like you're brushing away tiny feathers. Then roll them forward with the same softness. 5. Seated forward bend. Extend your legs straight ahead. Slowly reach forward with your hands. You don't need to touch your toes, just reach as far as feels comfortable. Breathe and imagine you're waking up a sleepy cat. 6. Butterfly pose. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall out to the sides. Flap them gently like butterfly wings. Imagine you're flying over a garden. 7. Seated spinal twist. Place your right hand on your left knee. Left hand behind you. Twist gently and look over your shoulder. Imagine you're looking at a beautiful sunset. Switch sides. 8. Cat-cow seated. Place your hands on your knees. Round your back like an angry cat, then arch gently like a happy cow stretching. Move slowly with your breath. 9. Seated shoulder stretch. Cross your right arm across your chest and gently hug it with your left arm. Switch sides. Imagine you're giving yourself a warm, cozy blanket hug. 10. Wrist stretch. Extend one arm forward with your palm up. Gently pull your fingers back. Switch. Imagine you're waving to a friendly cloud. (11) Seated hip circles. Place your hands on your knees and gently circle your upper body. Big, slow circles like you're stirring a pot of warm soup. (12) Seated mountain pose. Sit tall. Raise your arms straight up toward the sky. Stretch gently. Imagine you're growing like a strong tree. (13) Seated eagle arms. Wrap your arms together in front of you. Lift your elbows just slightly. Hold and breathe. Imagine you're a wise eagle resting on a mountain. (14) Seated wide leg forward bend. Spread your legs apart slightly and gently reach forward. Feel the stretch without forcing. Think of reaching towards calm water. (15) Seated twist with arm stretch. Extend one arm forward and twist to the other side. Switch. Imagine you're turning towards someone calling your name softly. (16) Knees to chest. Seated, hug. Bring your knees toward your chest and wrap your arms around them. Rest your forehead gently. Imagine you're hugging a soft pillow. A 17. Seated twist with open arms. Open your arms wide. Twist gently to one side and look behind. Switch. Let your arms float like wings. (18) Seated side stretch with arm behind back. Place one hand behind your back. Stretch the opposite arm overhead. Stretch gently. Think of reaching for a floating balloon. (19) Seated ankle rolls. Lift one foot slightly and roll your ankle slowly. Switch. Imagine you're drawing circles on water. 20. Seated calm neck stretch. Drop your chin to your chest. Breathe slowly. Imagine blowing soft ripples across a pond. "21. Seated, supported twist place. Both hands on one knee and twist gently. Repeat on the other side. Imagine slowly turning towards a whisper. "22. Seated toe touch and breath reach gently towards your toes. Stay for 3 breaths. Imagine you're waking little flowers with your fingers. "23. Seated back stretch. Hands behind you. Fingers pointing back. Gently lift your chest upwards. Imagine sunlight warming your heart. "24. Seated shoulder blade squeeze. Bring your shoulders back and gently squeeze your shoulder blades together to open your chest. Imagine holding a big balloon between them. "25. Seated meditation sit in easy pose again. Close your eyes, rest your hands in chin, mudra, thumb, and index finger touching. Breathe slowly. Feel your body calm, your heart soft, your mind peaceful. Imagine a soft glow inside you spreading warmth to every part of your body. Take one last deep breath and open your eyes gently. You've completed your seated yoga journey today. You stretched like butterflies, sat tall like mountains, and breathed like gentleness itself. You didn't rush. You listened to your body. That's the magic of yoga, moving with kindness. If this practice made your body feel flexible and your heart feel calm, gently press like and share it with your friends. Subscribe to Yoga with Peggy and join us again on the mat for more peaceful moments. Until next time, breathe gently, move softly, and remember calm lives inside you whenever you choose to sit and find it.